And welcome to today's Toys Are Evil Show You My Toys. I'd like to take a look at Royal Pride from Tokidoki. You see the reflection of inside. This is the box. Look at how the box looks like. Do a quick turn around. It's a train, subway train. Design of a subway train. This is how the graphics are, featuring Savannah and Lion Papa of Royal Pride. Bottom. What the packaging is, it's an open flap window. A bit dusty. And this is the first time I'm actually looking at the figure, or going to look at the figure beyond its packaging actually. I purchased this, I can't remember which year, but it was from a Singapore Toy Convention at Tokidoki's booth, which is always, oh nice, which is always sees a fantabulous long queue. So I always end up missing out on meeting Simone Legno and everybody else involved, but I will come when there are no queues lah. This is the inside of the box, which I really enjoy. I don't know if you all can see that clearly. You can see from the window packaging here lah. And the box open. The prints go beyond just the outside. It's also inside, which shows the inside of the train actually. And I think this is utterly awesome. And it's not just on the surface inside, is also on the covers, if you can see here clearly. Yeah. Pardon myself for the horn. I thought I would record this at 6 in the evening where there's no sound, but I was wrong, man. Here's the figures itself. Clamshell packaging. Yeah. Very nice. Can they stand on their own? Okay, they can. So, which is always a plus. And this is the first time I'm actually opening up the figures. Articulation on the hands. I would assume can, because it does move here, but it's a bit tight here. Or maybe it's kept for so long that the paint has dried up. Yeah, can. Can the neck turn? Yes, it can. Can it stand straight? A bit tricky for this one though. But decent so far. I am very amazed by the details. I don't know if you can see here. PVC sculpts production figure. And the details are amazing, man. So it's a print. I don't know if you can see the little print on the ears and the piercings on the figure and the printout. I'm very amazed by this, very much so. Made in China, which is cool. I've never had an issue with that. And I can't remember how long I had this, but no vinyl. It's not vinyl anyway, so it's PVC, I think. So it's no sweating, no stickiness, no paint problems. A bit of smudging here. Feels like an age thing. Yeah, it can be scraped away. But pretty nice detailing, man, and a pretty nice paint app. So I'm very impressed. Savannah. Thank goodness she can stand on her own. Let's take a look at, I forgot his name, King Papa. Articulated arms. Must give him a Uzi lah. Gangsta. Money bag. Piercings as well. Crown. None of this is removable, but soft PVC. Articulation. Let me see if I can shift the light a little bit so it doesn't look that harsh. Shadows, yeah, maybe like this. Look at the print work. I don't know if you can see from here. Yeah, very nicely detailed actually. Like the relief on the crown, the print, or even on the Uzi itself. Wow. Very impressed. Very impressed indeed. I suddenly remembered why I bought this box. Not necessarily because I love the figures. I had blogged about them, of course, but had not actively seeked them out. And perhaps as all of my Tokidoki figures purchased at ToyCon throughout the years, it probably might have been a naive chance maybe to one day have them signed if ever I've met Simon Legno. And I've not met him at all since he started coming to ToyCon 10 years ago, and I don't know him personally. I've not met him through work as well, and the irony is I keep on buying toys so that maybe I would, but I know I won't queue up to get the signature. But I'm glad I did. Actually, I'm glad I did. So this is Savannah and King Papa. Thank you for watching Toys R Evil.